केंद्रीय अर्थसंकल्पात केंद्र सरकारान डिजिटल करन्सीची घोषणा केल्या। भारत स्वताची डिजिटल करन्सी जारी करपाचे आसात। चलन ब्लॉकचेन आनी हेर तंत्रज्ञानाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान RBI कडल्यान अंदूच्या आर्थीक वर्सात जारी करतले म्हूण केंद्रीय अर्थसंकल्प मंत्री निर्मला सीतारामन उलयल्या। RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
In recent years, digital banking, digital payments and fintech innovations have grown at a rapid pace in the country. Government is continuously encouraging these sectors to ensure that the benefits of digital banking reach every nook and corner of the country in a consumer-friendly manner. Taking forward this agenda and to mark 75 years of our independence, it is proposed to set up 75 digital banking units in 75 districts of the country by scheduled commercial banks. The financial support for digital payment ecosystem announced in the previous budget will continue in 22-23 as well. This will encourage further adoption of digital payments. There will also be a focus to promote use of payment platforms that are economical and user-friendly.